Hi guys, my name is Maria. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint a rocket. So make a rocket. I already make a rocket, but today I'm gonna paint that rocket. Okay, so yesterday I made some planets. So the dry away, I made one planet. I show you that video. But you see the videos, you have to get the balls and paint them then. So rub it them as well. So you already notice about it. So you can watch on them or sometimes else you can. So now let's start it. So we need cardboard. Then we need sharp things. Scissors. These two are sharp. These are really sharp. I'm not using these because these are more sharp for me. I'm 6, but scissors are a little bit of sharp for me. So this is a tape. I stick the pieces with the tape, and glue stick I stick it with that as well. A glue as well. And now we are gonna use brushes to paint it. So I will show you. So now they are acrylic paints. You can buy them anywhere you have acrylic paints. Piece of a board, so you can put some colors on it. I use black and white as well sometimes. But okay, so right now I'm just gonna make a video. So now we are just doing something. What is this name? It's a palette. Sorry, I don't know, and my dad doesn't know. Okay, this is a palette, a beautiful palette. Oh, they're water. Okay, so there are 2 dark blue and there are 2 dark blue and no any more colors. So from now onwards, I'm just gonna take these colors. So these colors are not, these are not. Telling about you how I made this rocket. So this is the rocket, how I made it. You like it? So now we will get started for the painting. Okay? Now let's do the first thing. The first thing is to do red paint. You remember my first video, I was making it. I tell not you to red paint. So today I'm just gonna tell you about the red paint. Okay, so let's put some red paint. This is so hard to put red paint. Okay, just a little bit because it's very heavy and I have a little bit of on my hand. Okay, but without that I will just stop. This is doing very well. So the fins will be, these are the fins. So I will do that before when I was gonna paint this whole. Oh, and why I'm gonna use black? I'm just gonna, if you want to name it, what is it, the rocket? So you can name it with the black. And you can color any color if you want to do on it. But I was just gonna do white. But my dad said you have to do red. What am I gonna do then? Take this whole color too. Not take it again and again. So when I'm gonna do it half of it, so then I will wait it to dry and then I will do the half of it. This is my first time to doing a paint on a rocket. I didn't do this before. Do you remember my spaceship video I tell on you on that first part? So that was the day when my mom made it, but I just do it a little bit. So let me show you that. There it is when it's full for it. It's a Jupiter planet, I tell you in other videos. And so as well, I tell you about that day, that when I made this Lego, you can call it Lego or Lego, I call it Lego, but especially it's Lego. So now the video is going by its own self. Color this all same coats. I think it's gonna go really well. planet Jupiter did go very well out, but one of the things was doing it was a little thingy for it. Then my mom made it a little bit greater. Now my dad is taking pictures. Half of it is kind of drying up a little bit. Drying up. So you can do it any color you want. I mean, you have orange, any primary color, any similar colors. So now let's do it. So right now you remember my rocket video if you see it before, or right now you are already seeing all of my episodes. So this is my rocket. So you look at it, I painted it all. So it will be the back of it same and after of it is same. So now we will color the nose. To color the nose, I'll take light blue or dark blue. So my favorite one is the light blue. So I'm just gonna take the light blue and put that blue. You can do any color if you want. So do it, but you can take dark blue or light blue. No other colors. You can only take the body, some kind of colors. Okay. So let's open this. This was so hard. There we go. So it's a little bit of it. So maybe wait 1 minute. It will get out a little bit of time to take this. Mash, mish, mush, lash. It's actually orange, so in red color as we mix orange and sometimes it look like. So you know everything about. Okay, now let me do this. Now let's start doing it really carefully to the edges. So whenever I'll be here soon, so then I'll show you it. Again, you're taking some pictures. You can see anyway is one of the video. You can see all of my family. It's just me and my dad and my mother. I just call them just like that, but in videos I did that.
I'm her Baba.
Okay, really you see in the first video. So this is a studio where I work my art place. When I show you the videos, and I'm gonna hold them for fins. Oh, we got hold seeing this. Oh no, it was gonna fall down. Let's color that edges. Okay, that was a mistake when I was doing it. Actually, when I was doing the whole one, I just got a little mistake, so then I put it the red on it as well. So my dad helped me as well. Oh no! Oh, grapes! Better clean this up. Can you help me now?
Yes, I will.
Come here then. Ichigi. Every time I do it on the videos on phone, but this time I'm doing it on the camera. And if you remember my spaceships, I do that on the camera as well. 2 times I'm doing it on camera, and another time doing it on phone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the 4th episode we are doing right now. So I just put white and the fins, I'm gonna do it white. So let's do it white. So this time I'm just gonna use this one again. For the windows I will use this one. I think so. I mean we will be prank her. Because when she will doing it, we will make her video too. This white color is so beautiful. I mean, white can never stop any color, and black can not stop any color as well. I mean, just like black and white are just like friends, and then make gray. That's why they're friends. And we don't know how to make white. He's taking pictures again and again and again and again. Oh my goodness. If you want to see it, you can see it just like this, but I can do this as well. Let's put this mic over here then. Me and you to see. Welcome back. So now you can see I have done the fins. So now I will do the black part. The exhaust is really tiny, so it's gonna be little bit paint. So now I will take one more thing to paint exhaust. Oh no. You won't fall again. I'm gonna guard you. So now you can see I'm gonna paint this exhaust. It's gonna take really easy time for me to paint this. I don't know really much to paint, so that's why I'm not that cool in paint, but I've left paint. Now you really don't need to see this. I will put my finger in it, this hole. So if you actually see it really close, now you can see the exhaust. And bye! Give a thumbs up and subscribe to this video. Bye. So you can see in my other videos when I make a circle. Bye!